I think everyone in this world lives alone. Everyone's journey is very independent, and being alone is a very weird, different feeling. For the most part, for me, I'm okay and more than happy to be alone. I think I thrive on it, but it may not be the case for everyone else. But even as a loner, every once in a while, you tend to long for a human connection. And friendship is this beautiful little thing that I think that brings joy into the meaninglessness of our lives. Being able to feel that you're not alone and there are others with whom you can share that journey together, it's immensely satisfying, and it gives an immense sense of security. I remember that when I was small, my favorite color was green for some reason. I don't even remember. If anyone would say to me that their favorite color too was green back then I would have this very natural feeling of friendliness to that person because we both like the same things. I think that's how we make friends in the first place. And in this short span of time, we make numerous friends. And while that's good and great, but I don't think all friendships are created equally. There are short and sweet friendships, while there are some painstakingly long friends that never leave you all your life and you're with them. But no matter the amount of time, the bond that was formed when you shook hands or exchanged a smile, it was real. It was real in that moment. That would come alive no matter how many years later in life you recollect that from your memory lane.
बिहान उठि त्यो खाजा खान्छु चिया चिया खान्छु अनि त्यो सर्भर स्लो छ के स्ल्याक खोलिहाल्छु त्यो मेसेज छ कि भनेर
I'm grateful to have this experience with so many of you, and in so many ways, it has brought joy and meaningfulness in my life. Every little tea chat, or hike, or a phone call counts. Every little help and every little gesture counts. Everything counts. Everything makes sense at a much deeper level than you may realize. And I think that's what we live for. We live for simple pleasures in our life. And that's it.
बिस्तारै सिडी पछि पनि हामीलाई हिँड्नुपर्छ है